Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back, and if you are new, welcome, and I hope you will enjoy this video and consider subscribing as well. In today's video I'm going to talk about how to fold your clothes. It's important to fold your clothes properly and to store them in the proper way to save space. Ideally, if you have shirts, trousers or dresses or clothes that crease very easily, that these are hung up. But items like t-shirts and even trousers, you can fold them and store them in a filing system. I will show you now how I fold the kids' clothes, namely, because it is important that when you store your kids' clothes and you fold your kids' clothes, you fold them in such a way that if the shirt has a picture, it shows at the top. Children tend to take out clothes from their drawers haphazardly, so that will cause the drawer to become messy. So ideally you store with the picture showing at the top, so the child can easily know which shirt they want. So let me show you how I fold them. So over here I have one of my son's shirt. It has the writing on the front, so let us fold it properly. So straighten it up. Just fold till the neckline. Now you can either fold it in thirds, so in half, and then in thirds again until you have it. And this will come like this, and it stands alone. So when you file it in the drawer, it will stand, and if you take one out, this will not fall. Now if you have a shirt that is plain, there is no print, or you are really not bothered to show the print because you know what it is, especially if it is yours, you've folded the same way but with the front part on top. Again, you fold it. Now, because this is a bit too thick, I'm going to fold it in half. Now let's say you have a hoodie. In this case, it's not a hoodie, it's a jacket, but the same principle applies. So basically, you do the same thing, but the first thing you do is fold the hood inside. Now this can be applied to if you have a polo shirt. The neck of the polo shirt, you fold it inside as well. You arrange it Now these will be folded in half because they'll be too thick to fold in thirds. And normally all hoodies will be like that you need to fold them in two, not in thirds. Now let's speak about trousers. You can fold trousers the same way as well. So for trousers, you fold them in half. Now as you can see, the cut over here, all trousers will have this cut that it's coming out. But we need to make it into a rectangle. So what you do is you fold this one in, you fold in half and in thirds. That way the trousers will come in a rectangular shape and it will stand alone. Some items will not stand perfectly alone, but when you stack them one after the other, they will stand and they won't fall when an item is taken out. Now let me show you in the drawer how they become. So here are my son's clothes. Over here we have his shirts. As you can see, you can easily see the print on it. And they're all folded and filed one after the other. So when he takes one of them, they won't fall, and when you fold them and put your clothes back in, you just know where to put it and it's back in. Obviously, if the children are taking their clothes out, don't expect that they remain as perfect, but it will definitely help. Here are his shirts, some jackets and cardigans, uniform, and some of his trousers. Because basically everything is in the drawer. These are his winter and these are his summer. Here he has shorts, t-shirts, some shirts, Bermudas, some shorts that he uses inside, and his summer uniform.